Hi guys, welcome to my unboxing. I got 3 boxes today in the mail. I either get none or get like a couple in one day, and then I'll get like none. So, like I said, everything's behind, guys, but things are coming in. So, I got this today, and it is a cute little Witchy one bag. I love it. Cute little bag. It says Witchy one on it. Moon stars. Really cute. And so this is April's. I'm going to call it subscription bag. And this is the little package that we got for April. So let's see what April's holds. Okay, it's a little bag. Okie dokie. And then when I open it, this is the little package. Cute little package. So the first thing in the package is this velvet, like a burgundy wine bag. Very nice. It's heavy, whatever's in here. Ooh. Selenite. Looks like a unicorn horn. That is pretty cool. I've been getting a lot of selenite, but I have not. Each piece has been different, so that's cool. That's cool. I like it. So we have that. And then we have this little pretty wrapped up package. I'm going to try to tie it without breaking it. Okay. Alright, so this is to this, and then this is separate. So let's see what all this is. This looks like what's in the box. So that's the pretty card. And then it looks like we got some envelopes here. Yeah. So we have, looks like ocean sea magic, starfish, you know, conch shell. Then this one, this guy here, and then some envelopes to go with it. So 3 cards and 3 envelopes. And whatever's in here. And a couple more surprises. So, little tiny dark purple bag. Love that color. Purple's my favorite, as you can see. My walls are purple. Ooh. Looks like a pretty chevron amethyst. It doesn't seem so bright today. I don't know what's going on. Sometimes it's too bright. Sometimes it's not bright enough. There we go. It's a little brighter. Alright. But I'm dropping everything. There we go. Nice piece of chevron amethyst. And then we have a bracelet. Offhand, I'm gonna guess it's a garnet. It's really pretty colors. Against the white, you can really see. I'm not sure. Kind of looks purpley too, so I don't know. And then, last but not least, this beautiful green satin. Ooh, that's different. It's a silver, flowers, I guess you'd say. Flower bracelet. Definitely a little different. Not so witchy, that's for sure. It's just, I guess it's nice for May, you know. April showers bring May flowers. It's cute. It's definitely a cute piece. It's cute, but definitely different. I wouldn't say so witchy, though. Okay, so let's see what this says. Blossom bracelet. That, oh, no, that's this one. Excuse me. Blossom bracelet. This bracelet's delicate flowers remind me of cherry blossoms. Cherry blossoms, known as sakura, represent springtime in Hanaka, Hana, Hanakatabo. Probably wrong. They represent a pure, gentle heart. As we endure isolation through these unprecedented times, remember to carry a light of love within your aura. The world needs more love now than ever. We can bring this powerful magic into our lives by touching, by simply touching, being a beacon of love with this bracelet. Value $14. Ah, garnet. Garnet bracelet. Carries a deeply passionate energy. That this passion can be channeled into romantic love, but can also be channeled into action. Passion moves the world. Without passion, very little would get done in the way of life-enriching actions. Seek within your own heart where your passion can be utilized at this time, and wear this bracelet as a medicine. Absorb garnet energy into your own pool of energy, and then take action. Value of $14. Then, oh, it is. I don't know what I did with it. Oh, here it is. It says this is a unicorn selenite crystal. This selenite tower is all about the unicorn medicine. Something is flying around here. Freaking me out. What is that? Get it, kitty. What is that thing? Is that a fly? Okay, the story of the unicorn came forth from a time long ago. What we believe we create, the unicorn may not be so feeble as we thought. Nevertheless, the unicorn represents all that is pure and innocent. Handle this piece with reverence, if you will, and utilize it in your practices for calling upon the healing of the world. Bring forth pure, gentle energy for all who are in need, including yourself. Value of $14. Then this beautiful chevron amethyst is a value of $2. Chevron amethyst creates healing field around one's body, thus a good choice as an immune boosting crystal. The earth offers medicine, our beliefs do as well. At one point, human beings decide that chevron amethyst could aid in the immune system. Take that and deeply infuse that belief within your own creativity capacity. Enhance the medicine of this crystal. And then the three foiled stamped note cards. These earthly elegant note cards are included to remind you to stay connected. Sure, well, it's a perfect time right now because being confined, quarantined, sending out notes, especially cute ones like this, to friends and relatives, just to say, you know, you're thinking of them during this time. This is great. I love it. Really cute box. believe this is my third box, and I absolutely like all of them. So, on that note, I will continue with this box until next time as well, and see where, see where I go with it. Again, this is the Witchy 1 box, April's, from Unispirit. I will leave you guys the information on the bottom as always. Be safe, and if you like this video, please hit subscribe and the notification so I can get that out there. And I would like to do a giveaway. I'm going to put those giveaways together soon, I promise, and give you a little video of that as well. See you later, guys. Bye.